Hello everyone, I'm Unnati and this is Ganavi of grade 10. Have you ever wondered how detergent reacts on your stained clothes? Let us see this with a very simple example. Here we have milk, we have food colors, we have detergent and earbuds. Now let's add the milk first. Now let's add the food colors. And now let's get the detergent in contact with it. So we can see that the colors are moving away when the detergent comes in contact with it.
This is because soap contains a molecule known as missile. This missile has two parts, that is head and tail. Head is known as hydrophilic, a water-loving molecule, and hydrophobic, fat-loving molecule. As soon as the detergent touches the milk, the hydrophobic molecule gets attracted to the food color and starts breaking down the fat. This creates currents. Along with the currents, food colors also move, making beautiful patterns. This experiment is the best example how soaps work in everyday life. We use soap in everyday life, such as while washing our hands, washing clothes, and even washing dishes. Soap helps to trap the oil and fats, while water helps them to wash them away. What seems as a magic is the power of the science. Thank you.